Hey manzi, so after 17 years in the Premier League, Sofapaka aka Batotoba Mungu FC have been officially been relegated to the NSL.
We have really done it, the positivity. Now since I came we have played I think 6 matches. Unfortunately we are not hatujashinda game yote, but ukicompare na kabla sijaingia it was a little bit ilikuwa chini sana.
This is after playing out to a 2-2 this weekend. So imekuwa good run to the team and I hope that vile wamerudi NSL hopefully watamanage to bounce back the next season better and brighter. Team Sofapaka manzeni kirudi NSL pigi mambo yenyu, hopefully ndarudi back to the Premier League season.
Since nimejoin team kumekuwa na 2 areas ambazo nimekuwa nikijaribu sana na so far I think it is coming out well. Confidence levels na the mental stability, because I think those 2 areas zimekuwa na effect sana, not cause out of the factors to do with the tactical or the general preparation of the game, no, out of factors that are outside the parameters za kiwanja.